together. Putting in the overtime, restless days and sleepless nights, knowing I won't always get it right. Started working on myself, whiskey stays up on the shelf.